In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wix to Instagram Shopping. If you're ready to bridge the gap between your Wix website and your Instagram shopping setup, you're in the right place. This process will help you engage your audience and boost your online business seamlessly. So let's dive right in. First, let's get started by heading over to the Wix website. Once you're there, you'll want to navigate to the setup page. This step is crucial because it's where you'll start the integration process. Think of it as laying the groundwork for everything that's about to come. After reaching this page, click on Edit Site. This option will allow you to customize and manage your website's features, putting you firmly in control of its capabilities and appearance. Now, look for the four-square icon in the editor. This icon is your gateway to adding new features, so keep an eye out for it on your toolbar. Clicking it will present you with various options that can enhance your site's functionality. As you explore these options, you will see the App Market option. The App Market is like a treasure chest filled with various apps that can strengthen your website, thanks to seamless integrations like the one you're about to set up. Once inside the App Market, use the search bar to type in Instagram. Here, you'll find numerous applications that offer different ways to connect Instagram to your site. For our purposes, we want to focus on the Instagram Follow Us Encounter app. This handy tool will not only let your visitors follow your Instagram directly from your website, but it also provides a neat display of your follower count, a great way to showcase your social proof. Next, click on the Add to Site button. You're getting closer now. Adding this app to your Wix site ensures that both platforms start communicating effectively and display the integration progress on your webpage. But before we finalize everything, one last step remains. You'll see a prompt that says, Agree and Add. By clicking Agree and Add, you consent to the terms and conditions of the integration, making it official. Remember, always give a glance over any user agreements. But don't worry too much here, as it's standard procedure for these collaborative tools. Voila! You've now successfully connected Wix to Instagram Shopping. This integration will allow your business to leverage both platforms' power, streamline your operations, and reach your audience effortlessly. Enjoy interacting with your visitors in new ways and watch as your brand gets the attention and sales boost it deserves. If there's anything else you want to learn about Wix or Instagram, let me know. Until next time, keep exploring and happy connecting.